Here's the second simulation with a LISA of 480 kilograms at the L1 or the Lagrange 1 point, and we've set this off, as you can see, at about spring, and we have not made a full year yet in this simulation. It's an unstable L1 point. We're not using the thruster or any other means of propulsion for LISA as it circuits with Earth. It's actually crossed the Earth orbit already, the Earth-Moon system, at 1.47 million kilometers at the L1 point. And it seems to be unstable with the L2 point. So it's clear that some form of thrust or mobility will be needed beyond the LISA Pathfinder. White is LISA. It began before the Earth to Sun, and now it's transited the Earth's orbit and is again in the L1 position. Coming up on 1 year now. And we can see the LISA and the Earth are still more or less at the L1 position, stable, yet it's an unstable point with L2 seeming to transit the Earth's orbit 4 to 5 times a year. We are using universal gravitational constant of 6.67408,310 times 10 to the minus 11th Newton meters to the negative power kilograms squared, and the power law is minus 2.000000. The simulation steps per frame, we're going to move up by 5 to 60. The time step for the for each push, 360 seconds. Which we can bring down slightly. That seems to be somewhat high. So more simulations per time step and more frames per display of the simulation. A little more accuracy, if not precision. So you can see right there, blue, white, blue, white. Every crossing, of course, is a crossing of LISA from the L1 to the L2 position on Earth, of the Sun-Earth system. Jupiter now making an appearance. Saturn will eventually. We have Mercury, Venus. So if one is able to resolve the gravitational energy from Saturn or the outer planets Uranus and Neptune, clearly Lisa is in a good position to do that. L1, L2, pretty unstable, at least in my diagram. We might have to revisit that again. Again, this is for solar year 2034 through 2035 on to 2036 at this point. And with another completion to 2036, we turn our attention to the parallel processors Cat2, Cat3. Cat2 is a 2-core, Cat3 is a 4-core i7, and then we're also utilizing the iMac behind us, which is also 4 cores.